What's up, Vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes. It is a must over here. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making some crispy honey chili beef. And here are my ingredients. Here are my thinly sliced beef strips. I did a video of that. I will link it in the description down below of how I cut it up. And here are the rest of my ingredients, looking so good. Okay, so let's jump right into marinating this beef. So here I have 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 tablespoon minced garlic, and you can chop it up yourself or buy the one in the store. And I'm going in with 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, or use whatever seasoning if you have beef seasoning, and then go ahead and give that a mix and a stir. And I also added 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. That clip is not here. So here I'm gonna put my oil to hot, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of deep frying in a sense. So here I have 1 cup, or you can use half cup depending on what's going on, of what do you call it, cornstarch or corn flour. So now I'm going to be coating my beef strips into the corn flour. So give it a coat, mix it up, get it all nice and evenly coated, and then we are gonna shake it off. You want to remove the excess of the corn flour and put it so that it doesn't go in your pot when you're frying, not too much. So here is the rest of it, and I'm going to be frying it into batches. So drop them. So because I dropped them together and I didn't drop them like each piece one at a time, I have to use the fork to separate them. So that's what I'm doing. So we're only frying them for 3 or 4 minutes. When they get brown, turn them over, and then we're going to take them out. Just absolutely beautiful. So once they're golden brown, take them out. Do not over fry them or else they're gonna be dry, right? So just get them brown, and remember they are thin, so they fry very fast. So just get them brown and then take them out. And yeah, look at them looking so beautiful, juicy. You can taste one too. It tastes so good. So yeah, this is the last batch, and then we're gonna go ahead and make some sauce. So yeah, take them out and let's jump right into the saucealization. So we're going in with 3 tablespoons dark soy sauce, and then to that we're adding 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce and 2 tablespoons apple juice, or you can use Chinese cooking wine or Shouzin wine, I think it's called. I'm going in with a 1/3 cup honey, and get all that honey out of it, right? Get all your honey. And then I'm going in with 2 tablespoons white vinegar. Give that a stir and a mix, and I'm gonna mix it up. And I tasted it and it needed a little something, so I added 1 tablespoon of sugar. So dark sugar, white sugar, any sugar you have. Mix that up. Now I am going in with a good amount, so about a tablespoon of chili flakes, because you need it to have a kick, right? Yeah. You need it to have a and a So stir that up. So we're going to bring this to a boil until it thickens. So you need it to see it's okay right here. It's approaching thick. And then right here now, this is what we need. We need for it to, have some grip to it. So we are pouring in now our beef strips. Yes, throw them in and then stir it up. Coat them with that nice sauce. So mix it round, coat and a coat, and a coat and a coat and a coat. And then we're going to look good. It looks so good, but it tastes even better, I promise. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have it. Everybody run, come and look what is taking place over at Dre's Curious Cuisine. Yes, look at this niceness, crispy honey chili beef. I promise you, when I say nice, when I say taste all the way good, this is it. When I say treat, this is the treat that I'm talking about. Like really nice. And I had it with a nice plate of white rice, basmati rice, nice and shelly. And yes, Vibes Sam, look good. Come through what you call it, chili flakes. Come through all the things. I also added a little bit of sesame seed. Yeah. Tastes so good. But thank you so much, Vibes Sam, for hanging out with me. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and share the video. Please tell somebody about my channel and go and follow me on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.